history of gang banging, here go the problem. Less than 2% of crimes against the white man is by the black man.
Wow.
So what that means is the only reason gentrification exists is because the white man know he's safer in the hood than he is in Beverly Hills. So that means me gang banging is just a contract to self-destruct my people. You know what I mean?